Welcome to Takshisala Gurukul channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe immediately, press the bell button and write your comments and feedback. Share with your friends as much as possible. We provide online Kundalini Raja Yoga initiation and Kundali activation in 6 months.
14. Hatha Yoga Nitya Instructions. Shankara told Bhavak ke Bhavan Yankaraha Hatha Yoga Lakshana. Dankatava Channi Shruti Matavenu Shanmukha. Shankara told Shanmukha the details of Hatha Yoga Lakshana, which is like an enemy to Bhava, which is like an enemy to birth and death. Shanmukha, who was weighed down by the bliss of happiness and peace, did not become outwardly angry, but looked at Shashimoli's face and bowed down with awe, forgetting all the sorrows he had been experiencing, being near Mukti Kanta. With the intention of confirming the knowledge he had acquired, he asked Maheshwara thus, Swami, please tell me the Hatha Yoga Nitya. May all my doubts be destroyed, I will burn the sorrows of my birth and death in the fire of knowledge. Please teach me with love, he prayed. Shiva smiled and said to his son, have you found the discourse I have spoken so far to be beautiful? Now I will tell you the resolution of Hatha Yoga, which is accepted by the community. It shines like a sword that has just been drawn from its sheath. It is an open door to the abode of Paramartha. As soon as one enters it, one realizes the truth. With Hatha, the inclination of the senses should be cut off and they should be restrained. With Hatha Yoga, one should turn the mental faculties within oneself, and with a mind that is unwavering like a lamp of Nivata, Hatha Yoga is the purpose of Hatha Yoga. With Hatha Yoga, one should control the prana, float the boat of Suchit in the boat of Bodhaka, and attain the state of Samadhi. 4. Taralin. In the word Hatha, the letter Ha indicates the sound of the sun and the letter Ta indicates the sound of the moon. Ambika becomes manifest to one who has achieved Hatha Yoga, which is done with both of these. Yogis know the bliss of yoga. Those who are practiced in yoga attain the bliss of yoga by the grace of the Guru. But it is not appropriate to tell this to the common people. It is not appropriate to tell this yoga conclusion to a vile person, a slanderer, a person without good deeds, a person with a pig-like intellect, a Shudra who tries to survive by ruining the lives of others, or a person who is ignorant and falls into a downward path. Those who do not have pure minds cannot understand the teachings of the principles. Their condition is like entering a dark house. Even if a Brahmin recites the names of the gods, his stomach will not be filled. One does not become free by reading and listening to the doctrine of liberation through yoga. One who desires liberation must destroy the pleasures of this world and the hereafter through abstinence. 10 Types of Yoga. 1. Hatha Yoga is attained through the path of Pipalika and 2. Raja Yoga is attained through the path of Vihangama. Hatha Yoga is the path of becoming a Paramahansa through celibacy, asramadharma and good deeds. Raja Yoga is the path of becoming free from the self through the pure Atma Dharma, independent of oneself, through asramadharma and good deeds. O Kartike, in this chapter I will explain Hatha Yoga and in the next chapter Hatha Raja Yoga. If Hatha Yoga is attained first, then Raja Yoga will be easy to attain. If Hatha Yoga is not attained, there is no fault. Of the two, attain one. If you attain both yogas, you will become corrupt, as the proverb of the servant of Karadikalla. Proverb. A beggar named Karadikalla Das was standing in front of a house begging for food. The householder said, Sir, there is only bread and sourdough bread in the house. If you had come a little earlier, you would have got the amrishta. He has taken it and gone to the river bank outside the village to eat in the forest. Hearing this, the Das thought to himself, I get bread and sourdough bread every day, but I have to go to the river bank for the amrishta. By the time the Das reached there, the amrishta meal was over. He returned to his previous house, disappointed and hungry. The amrishta bread and sourdough bread that was there were also gone. After climbing a tree by holding on to a branch, he should climb down by holding on to the same branch. If he lets go of the branch he is holding and jumps to another, will he not break his neck? In any path of yoga, if one follows the orders of a guru, he becomes the unique Parabrahmavastu. Raja Yoga is done with the eyes, Hatha Yoga is done with the air. Now I will tell you the conclusion of Hatha Yoga. He should sit on a bed of Krishna or a carpet, grass, in a clean and secluded place. He should press his left heel against the base, anus, and place his right heel on the egg. He should sit upright and fix his gaze at the middle of the forehead at the end of the nose and, seeing the Tejomai Rishi, should recite the Guru mantra, Soham, without getting tired. Pranayama and Gayatri Japa. Pranayama should be done along with Gayatri Japa. The great mantra that is the root of yoga is Gayatri Japa. It is the place of death for the diseases of birth and death. It has 37 letters, which are as follows. Om Bhurbhuvashtra, Om Tatsevitur Varenyam Bhagodevasya Dhimahi, Dhyoyona Prachodayat. For the 12 words of this mantra, one Om should be chanted at the beginning of each word and one at the end. For example, Om Bhu, Om Bhuva, Om Swaha, etc. There are 24 pranavas in total. That is, a total of 37 plus 24 equals 61 letters, including Om, should be chanted while chanting Gayatri. Chanting this mantra 3 times will result in 1 pranayama. This mantra should not be chanted too intensely or too slowly. It should be chanted carefully in the manner instructed by the Guru. O son, the 7 sages of the heavenly world have gathered and taught you this Gayatri mantra at the time when they were performing Upanayana for you. Gayatri, the mother of the Vedas, protects your souls and stimulates your intellect and gives you the Brahmapada. 25. How to do pranayama. Slowly inhale from the right side of the nose. This is Purna. The air should be retained in your lungs for only a few minutes. This is Kumbhaka. Then slowly exhale from the left side of the nose. This is Richika. The sages who know that Purna is the form of Brahma, Kumbhaka is the form of Vishnu and Richika is the form of Rudra have determined this. By pranayama, air control, one becomes the master of the 14 worlds by purifying his pulse and mind. Details of the pulsars. Out of the 72,000 pulsars in his body, 3 are important. To the left and right of the nostrils are the Ida Pingala and the Sushumna, which is the Shikhanta. Son, as instructed by the Guru, one should perform prana nirodha by binding all the nadis tightly and closing the 9 gates, and should perform pranayama through the nadis of the Id, Pingal and Sushumna. By the power of this practice, arrow shooting marks will appear on the tip of one's nose and one will become the idol of Yogananda. One should awaken, invigorate and fill the nadis with prana vayu through the nostrils within the nadis, which are as delicate as the tip of a needle, as instructed by one's Guru. One should perform this nadi purification as instructed by a knowledgeable Guru. Doing this knowingly is very dangerous for one's life. O child, I will tell you the secret of this in private. The slow inhalation of air, its penetration into the hairs of all the limbs, the blocking of the air in the 7 places of the body, such as the base chakra, and the carrying of the air from one chakra to another by the power of the Guru, are all very secret. This yoga practice should not be done without the presence of a Guru. 33. Explanation of the 7 chakras. This is given in the form of a table below. The position of each chakra, its color, letters, pads, their number and the name of the lord of each chakra should be noted by the reader in the table. In this yoga practice, many obstacles will inevitably come to the aspirant at the time of the vision of the Nada Bindu arts. In some cases, he will also be afflicted by demons such as Dakini, Shakini, etc. The fruit of this Hatha Yoga is not easily achieved by the gods Indra and the Pramatha Ganas. Just as Vishwamitra, who was tormented by demons, attained the Siddhi of the Gyan Yaga and the fruit of penance with the help of the young Sri Rama and Lakshmana's archery skills, Hatha Yoga should be achieved only in the presence of a worthy Guru. Chakras, position, color, letters and their number. Adhidevata 1. Adhar Anuda Krishna. 4. Vishwesha 2. Swadhishtana Nila Ba, Bha, Ma, Ya, Ra, La. 6. Chaturmukha 3. Manipuraka Nabi Peter Dadhanatatha Dadhana $. 1. The Nirguna Yogi should not look at the evil powers of the evil power that destroys Brahma. That is, the feeling that the powers should be seen as Trina. 95. Details of the 8 powers. Anima, Mahima Gari, Lagima, Prapti Prakamya, Ishitva and Vishitva. These are the 8 powers by which the Saguna Yogi becomes venerable to the world. The ability to create the Trine is in these. Those who fight with such a yogi will be reduced to ashes, becoming a particle as anima, appearing as a great form as glory. That which is impossible to lift is glory. That which is very light in the position of lifting is lightness, that which is to gain respect and honor from the world is attainment, that which is desired is attainment, that which is divine is the power to rule the world, and that which is to keep the world under one's control is Vishitva. These 8 great achievements stand, closed, before the yogi. But, does the one who is a devotee of Shiva long for these? He is at peace within himself. 98. The real fruit of Shiva Yoga: lust, anger, sleeplessness, tamasa guna, intoxication, jealousy, the 8 attachments, the 7 attachments, the 6-fold attachment, the 3 the sufferings of birth, the feelings of emptiness, the illusion of life, and all the affairs of the senses are hidden. Okay, the yogi sees only happiness when he looks up. He sees only the radiance of the self-existent light everywhere. I cannot spread the bliss of the Shivyogi on earth. To him, all living beings appear as the form of the linga, soul. Everything appears to be truly the form of Brahma. All games are the pastimes of the soul. He himself is the witness of everything and is eternal. He should not return to the universal state. 102. To achieve this yoga in 3 months, a serious sound is born. In the 4th month, the gods will be seen. O son, in the 5th month, he will realize the yoga wheels. In the 6th month, he will become the real Brahman. In 2 hours, he will realize the bliss of yoga, stopping the wind. In 3 hours, the life force. From the obstruction, sound is born. The noises that appear to be the sacrifice of yoga become invisible in the stream of water. The birds of knowledge fly to the mountains. By meditating on his form for half a minute, he attains the Brahmapada. But the yogi, by means of moderate food, moderate sleep, proper business, concentration, detachment from day and night affairs, becomes free at all times. By practicing yoga with the Guru's face, this yoga gives the desired results. He who practices without a guru becomes a forest dweller. O cave, practice yoga without fear with devotion and detachment to the Guru's feet. I am present with you. 106. I have told you the Hatha Yoga that is to be followed by the ant path. Achieve this by the Guru's grace. By this you will slowly attain the blissful liberation. This yoga explanation is not suitable for those who are indifferent to action, evildoers, hypocrites, wicked people, the unrighteous, those who have evil desires, the crafty, those who are covered with dirt, and those who have a contemptible mind that they are only skin and body. May it be auspicious for those who tell and hear it. It is auspicious for those who are endowed with knowledge, devotion and detachment. Those who remember this in their minds and dreams will attain salvation. Hearing all this from their father, Shanmukha closed his eyes, and the joy of the soul began to flow through his hair. Words of bliss flowed from his eyes. He bowed down to the lotus feet of Lord Shiva with wisdom, and the cloudiness of his mind disappeared and he meditated on the Guru, the one who is full of joy. 110.